G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at April 2nd, 2025's Irregular Sudoku by Clover. Clover's one of our associates here at Gas HQ. So my name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how you all doing? You may notice that I've jumped from May 30th to April 2nd. If you don't know, here at Gas HQ, April 1st is our day to go deeply, deeply silly. I'm going to be recording my contribution for it after I do the April 5th puzzle, and then I will staple it together and you'll probably get, late tomorrow. That's just the vibes. Good news is there's 10 puzzles in that. We went a little insane this year, and when we said we, I mostly mean me. I did half of those, but we will. I'm genuinely curious to see if that whole thing's gonna fit in the box down the bottom, but we will get to that. So we are Gas Genuinely Approachable Sudoku. We create, set, and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person watching this. You will find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times. 2 hats is for a very fast time. 1 hat is for a pretty fast time. And everyone gets a Dinosaur because we love you all equally. Pardon me. I'm going to put the microphone closer to me now that I've burped. And I'm going to tell you about this irregular Sudoku. So normal Sudoku rules apply. So each row and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. But the regions are irregular shaped. So that's a region, but also this is a region. Makes sense? Cool? Got it. Sweet. Alright. That's it. That's all you need to know to solve today's puzzle. Let's just get into it, gang. Now, Spider members of the channel, or people, no, that's a lie. People who've been around a bit might recognize what's going on here at the start. Now, in a traditional Sudoku, there's a pattern that we sometimes refer to as roping. Now, what do I mean by that is, imagine these boxes were all the same. It would look something like this. So, so if you got a pattern that looks like that, we refer to that as roping. Now, roping very commonly occurs in grids that are non-consecutive, because there's only a certain number of ways you can do those puzzles. And Philip will nerd snipe me if I try and pull a number out of my butt. But, most of those are roped grids. Not all of them, but most of them. We're going to use a lot of that triple-based logic to get through this puzzle. So, this is 7, 8, and 9. Now, these 3 cells have to be 6, 7, 8, which puts 1, 2, 3 down here. Now, I could put 3. Now, this is 4, 5, and 6. And this is 1, 8, and 9. Now, neither of those can be 9, so that has to be 9. Now, let's go the other way. This is 2, 3, 4, which we can put the 4 in and take those. This is 3, 4, and 6, which puts a 1, 8, and 9 in these cells. Now, that is an 8, which is nice. Because that goes up here and unwinds a little bit of that. We'll probably come back to that soon. But this is 5, 6, and 7. This is 1, 2, and 3. I'll take 2 out. Now, take 5 out of there, 8 out of there, 7 out of there. I'm just cleaning up my pencil marks before I go any further. It's always good. Never worry about the hat times, gang. The hat times are just arbitrary numbers that we sort of guess. Makes sense. Now, this is a naked single. I've just completely done that by accident. But 3, 4, 6, and 8 need to go along the middle row. This cell sees 4, 6, and 3. So that's an 8. Which resolves this. Now, can I pull anything else out of my butt? No, I cannot. But... Nice, I did it again. Oh, yeah, this is 1, 8, and 9. That's probably what I was missing. Now, this cell... That cell sees 1 in the box region and 8 in the column, so that's 9. This is a 1, 8 pair. Now, 8, 1, 8, 2, 1, 1, 6, 7, 8. Now, this is 6, 5, 7, 3, 2. Alright, now, this cell sees 1 and 3 in the column, but it also saw 1 and 3 in the thing. So that's a 2. This is a 1, 3 pair, but we have 1 in column 1, so we know how to unwind that. Now, that's a 4, 6, and 5, which unwinds this a little bit. That's a 6, and this is a 3. And then, that's a 7, that's an 8, that's a 3. We need to place 4 and 6 in the middle, but we can't quite do that just yet. This is a 4... 7, 3, 6, 4, 6, 6, 4, and then 2 and 5 to place in row 4, and then this is 5 and 9. Ta-da! This has been Irregular Sudoku by Clover. My name is still Bill Murphy. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, or good night. And I will catch you next time. Cheers.